जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 13th श्लोका। श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा is teaching to Arjuna, taking Arjuna as an excuse. Krishna Paramatma teaching to us directly. Krishna Paramatma saying that we are all in these bodies. When we first enter into this body, it was in a very small shape that is known as childhood. And we started noticing changes in our own body going through teenage, young age, old age. We are seeing all these changes. We are not trying to stop these changes because we know we cannot stop these changes. Because we have perfect knowledge about these changes in the body, we are not crying, we are not worrying. So, the final change in the body in this process is known as death. That means we are departing from this body. What we should also know, a very important thing is, there is no change in us as a soul. Only these changes are limited to the body. So when the last change happens to this body, that is known as the death, we are departing from this body. As and how we have perfect knowledge about all the changes what is happening in this body, we should also have a perfect knowledge that nothing is happening to me. It is all happening to this body. When we have this perfect knowledge, we will not cry, we will not worry, we won't even cry for the last change, that is death. That is what Krishna Paramatma helping Arjuna and helping all of us understand about the fact. While having this meaning running in our thoughts, let us now chant the sloka. Dehinosmin yadha dehe kaumaram yavvanam jara tadha देहांतर प्राप्तिः धीरः तत्र न मुह्यति। ओम। The important thing that we should be understanding in this sloka is, before the last change happens, that means the death happens, whatever the purpose that we are put in this body, all that we have to be doing is, am I trying to attain my goal of this life? Am I putting my effort to make sure the very purpose of this life is served? To that extent, we should always constantly, continuously trying. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do this following. With that, very purpose of our life will be served. What are those things? Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on dedicating all your actions to me and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging and surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka a day. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you do all this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. This is what Krishna Paramatma said. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, responding to Paramatma and saying that Krishna, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. That is what is the very essence of all the pujas, all the yajnas, all the homas. That is what we are doing, not just one day. Every day we are doing like this. So when I say, at least let it run in your thoughts, even if you do not repeat, that as if you are giving this word to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us respond to Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall constantly think about the very purpose of my life and will put my effort to make sure that purpose is served before the last change happens in my body. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall always think about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on inculcating love, devotion towards you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on dedicating all my actions to you and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall read at least one Gita sloka a day. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your divine words, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukha mukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi saying to all the Saunaka and other rishis, O Maharshis, Krishna Paramatma is entering into Dwaraka Nagaram. While Krishna Paramatma entering, those all the elderly people, Brahmanas, Acharyas, those who came to receive Paramatma, they all, along with their spouses, wives, they all went to Krishna Paramatma and started doing Mangalasasanam, started blessing Sri Krishna Paramatma. After that, Krishna Paramatma has entered Dwaraka Nagaram. When Krishna Paramatma traveling in Dwaraka Nagaram in the main streets, all those ladies who belong to the palaces, Dwarakayaha, Kulastriyaha, all the housewives, they all came running towards Krishna Paramatma. They wanted to see. That is why they went all the way to the terrace area of all the buildings, top floors of all the buildings. From there, they started enjoying Krishna Paramatma's everything, the Tadikshana Mahotsavaha, whatever they are seeing Krishna Paramatma, that is what is the big festival they are enjoying. seeing Krishna Paramatma, looking at Krishna Paramatma, enjoying Krishna Paramatma's work, every gesture of Krishna Paramatma is a celebration to them. That is how they are enjoying. Does that mean haven't they seen Krishna Paramatma earlier? They have seen. Did they see only once? They have been seeing almost all the time. Even then, Nityam Nirikshamananam Yadapi. Even after seeing Krishna Paramatma continuously, constantly, all the time also, now they could see Krishna Paramatma's new gestures there. Now Vitrupyanti, even after seeing continuously also, they are not satisfied. They are still wanting to, craving to see Krishna Paramatma's each and every gesture. They are unable to take off their eyes from Krishna Paramatma's Divyamangala Vigraham. Why? Why they are so much craving to see Krishna Paramatma? That means Shriyodhamangam Achyutam. Krishna Paramatma is an embodiment of, a personification of the beauty. Whatever the beauty in this entire creation is there, if all the beauty brought up and put it in a one shape, that is what Krishna Paramatma. That is why everybody is craving to see Krishna Paramatma. Even Mahalakshmi Devi, Shriyo Nivaso Yasyoraha, that Lakshmi Devi also came and sitting in the Vakshasima of Krishna Paramatma. So all the people, their craving to see Krishna Paramatma, that their thirst of their eyes, Panapatram Mukham Drusham, their thirst of eyes is quenched by Krishna Paramatma's Divyamukharavindam, the divine face. Now, if you look at Bahu, the shoulders of Krishna Paramatma, Bahavo Lokapalanam, all the Lokapalakas like Indra, Agni, Yama, Nairuti, Varuna, Vayu, Kubera and Isana, all these great Lokapalakas, they are enjoying. Their thirst is quenched by the shoulders of Paramatma. Now, if you look at Sri Krishna Paramatma's the divine feet, those who have not been singing, those who have not been praising, those who have not been doing any puja, all that they do is they keep themselves very silent. They are known as Muni. They are known as Maunis, Mahamunis. All those Mahamunis, what are they enjoying? They are enjoying by just staring at Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine lotus-like feet, because all of their thirst is quenched by the divine feet, Sripada Padmas of Divya Sri Charanaravindas of Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is how everybody is getting to quench their own thirst by looking at particular specific part of Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is how the every part of Krishna Paramatma is quenching someone's their own thirst and making them very eternally happy. All of them are in their own trance by just enjoying Krishna Paramatma's divine personification, while all the people enjoying Krishna Paramatma entering into Dwaraka Nagaram. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ 13th శ్లోక. దేహినోऽస్మిన్ యథా దేహే కౌమారం యవ్వనం జరా తథా దేహాంతరప్రాప్తిః ధీరః తత్ర న ముహ్యతి. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.